Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So as you guys may or may not know, if you guys watched my last vlog, if you didn't, then I'll link it up here and down below so y'all could go watch it. But last weekend I went on a picnic and I decorated the whole picnic aesthetic in under 2 hours. I got so many compliments, so many feedback about the setup of the picnic, so I wanted to give you guys a whole separate video and describe in detail where I got everything from, what my inspiration for it was, and how you can do the same picnic aesthetic too, or if you need like starter points for how you can set up a picnic, decorate a picnic. I hope this video can help you with that too. So before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, click that red subscribe button down below. We are growing and glowing, so make sure y'all join the family so that you guys can catch up with my videos and y'all never miss an upload. And y'all here, okay? Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy. If you guys find it helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and drop a comment down below with your thoughts, with your comments, with your questions, with your opinions, anything that may be on your mind after you watch this entire video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, I wanted to discuss like my inspiration for the picnic. So when I think of a picnic, I want something that is colorful. I want something that may or may not complement the outfit that I'm wearing. I want something that is just summer friendly. So when I thought of the picnic aesthetic, I was just like, okay, we can all wear white, and then I can go from there with the decoration. So we all decided to wear white. It was not a coincidence, it was planned. So for anyone who was asking, anyone who saw us at the event, I was like, oh, did y'all plan to wear white? Yes, girl, we did. So we wore white, and after that I was like, okay, I want to get a sheet that is a neutral color, because I didn't know what color like decorations I wanted to do specifically, but I just knew once I planned a neutral sheet to put underneath, then we set. Okay, so you guys know when you buy like a set of sheets, it comes with like the sheet that you can tuck under your mattress, like the one with the elastics on the side. It comes with the flat sheet, comes with the pillowcases. So I don't usually use my flat sheet. I started using them now since I like make my bed up more, but previous sets we have, my sister and I, we never used a flat sheet before. So we were like, we can use the flat sheets when we do picnics. Some people use like thicker blankets underneath, but I just prefer to just use a sheet. It's easier to wash, it's easier to set up, it's easier to carry, it's not as bulky, it's not as heavy. So if you are looking for something to put like underneath you for a picnic, I would highly recommend to use like the flat sheet from your sheet sets. Also, it's very easy to wash. As soon as we got home, we just threw it in the washing machine and then, you know, set it out to air dry. So super easy to wash and reuse. You can also get like a tablecloth if you want to put underneath you, because a lot of the times, especially if you're setting up on the grass may be wet if the place has like sprinklers, or if it rained the day before, whatever. So using a flat sheet, I just feel like is the easiest option. It's the cheapest option, it's the most convenient option, and yeah. So we picked the color of our outfits, white. We picked the color of the sheet that will be underneath. We decided to go with like a neutral tone of brown. And then when I went to TJ Maxx the other day, I picked up some like whiskey, you know, like the wooden material baskets. So I got the 2 of those from TJ Maxx. They were 2 different sizes, which you guys will see in a later clip. But I'm going to insert some footage here. I went to the Home Goods / Marshalls in New Rochelle the other day. It's in Westchester. A lot of times people say like, oh, I got this from TJ Maxx. Hey, I got this from Marshalls. But I like to specify which location I got it from. So I went to the TJ Maxx and Marshalls in New Rochelle yesterday, and I recorded like some footage to show you guys what they have and what your options are and what sections of the store you can find things. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that footage in here. What is this? Home Goods and Marshalls, and I wanted to show you guys the section where you could get like the wooden accessories. So this is like the kitchen area. They have like all of these. So this is where I got like my wooden paddle board to make my fruit board, but they have like all types of different combinations. As you guys can see, the price isn't too bad, but you can like mix and match. Real cute options. You can have these to use like for drinks too, like this little stand. it's $9.99. But yeah, so you could come here, get little boards, and use it to put stuff on it. $7.99. So yeah. Also have like these. They have these like circular organizers you can put stuff into. These sections of like wooden organizers. You can use these to put like utensils and stuff in too. Little bowls, you can put like small fruits and stuff in here. And then for the wooden baskets, you can find them here too. So you could get like something like this to put like drinks in if you want. Okay, so as I mentioned, these are the two baskets that I got from TJ Maxx that I used to put the flowers and the bottles in for the picnic. So the bigger one, we decided to put the bottles in here just because, you know, the girls were drinking. And then the smaller one, I didn't want to get that many flowers, so I just decided to use the smaller one for the flowers. So this bigger one was $12.99, and I got both of these baskets from the TJ Maxx in Mount Vernon. As I told you guys, I like to specify which store I got it from, just so that if it's still available or it comes back or whatever the case is, you know where I got it from. So this is the larger one and this is the smaller one. So I got those, and at first I just bought them and I was just like, don't know what I'm going to use them for. They look picnic friendly, so I'll go ahead and just put them here in storage, and they ended up coming to great use. Then I went to Dollar Tree and got all of these beautiful flowers. So y'all, do not, I repeat, do not sleep on Dollar Tree. They got the goods, okay? So I got all of these flowers, and they're in different like bunches, so each bunch was $1. In total, I probably spent like $17 on all of these flowers. So I just picked out flowers that complemented this color scheme of like white, orange, tan, nude, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'll put a picture here of what the flower section of Dollar Tree looks like. But everybody was like, oh my god, they look so real, and I'm just like, girl, they're from Dollar Tree. So this was a little floral arrangement that I made for the picnic. And then from Dollar Tree, I also got these wine glasses. These were each $1, and they have them in most Dollar Trees. You can also order online from Dollar Tree, so I'll see if I can find the link and put it down below. But these little glasses are very cute. They're easy to hold, and they hold a lot of drinks, so I really like these glasses. And then from TJ Maxx, I also got these cutting and serving boards. So these were $2.49, and I just thought they would be cute to put like crackers on, or if you want to do like a cracker and cheese board. I don't eat cheese, y'all know that if y'all watch my channel, but yeah, you could do like a little board on this. So I used this one. I got two of those. So I used this one, and I basically put like Shirley biscuits on them. If you're Caribbean, or maybe if you're not, you know what Shirley biscuits are, but I just wanted to incorporate them in my little picnic. And the last component of the picnic was the wooden table that I put the fruit board and the little vase with the flowers and everything else on. That table is from Amazon, so I'll go ahead and link that down below. I liked it because I didn't want to put everything directly on the sheet. The grass was wet. Most of the time when you go to the parks, the grass is wet, so I kept that in mind, and I was like, I want a little elevation. Also, I felt like it gave a little dimension to the picnic too, so I really like that. But the only thing about the table that I have is that the cup holder sections don't hold like a standard cup. It's really like a mini cup holder, so you can't really put anything in there if you plan on using it like for eating or whatever the case is. But if you want to put like a little vase in there or a little decor in there, it's perfectly fine. And of course, I remembered to bring my hand sanitizer to the picnic too. But that is basically everything that I used for the picnic setup. I really hope this video helps. I do plan on going on a few more picnics before before the summer is over. So since I know that you guys like that content so much now, the next video I do is going to be like me actually going to the store and getting the flowers, and me actually setting it up while I'm at the park, and me actually doing the fruit board with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some fruit board inspo down below too. When I did it, I was really in a rush. Like, I did my fruit board in 15 minutes. My fruits were not even sliced straight. So the next time I'm gonna give myself more time, but I really just freestyle with the fruit board. I didn't like pull up any of my inspo pictures or any of that. So I did want to mention that, because a lot of people were asking me like, girl, how you did your fruit board? And I'm just like, girl, I do not know, because I did it in 15 minutes. But that's everything for this video. I hope this video helped. You guys should have learned 2 things from this video. 1, how I did my picnic inspo, and 2, don't sleep on Dollar Tree, period. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel before you head out. If y'all want to see more picnic inspo, if y'all want to see more picnic looks, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, my outfit that I wore for the picnic is linked in my previous vlog. So if you guys didn't see that video and you guys are interested in my outfit, you guys can check out that vlog for more details. And that's all I have for today's video. Until my next video, which will be on Monday, I'll see you guys later.